Necessity of safety rules. Safety consciousness is one of the essential attitudes required for any job. A skilled electrician always should strive to form safe working habits. Safe working habits always save men money and material. Unsafe working habits always end up in loss of production and profits, personal injury, and even death. The safety hints given below should be followed by an electrician to avoid accidents and electrical shocks, as his job involves a lot of occupational hazards. The listed safety rules should be learnt, remembered, and practiced by every electrician. Here, an electrician should remember the famous proverb, "Electricity is a good servant, but a bad master." Safety rules. Only qualified persons should do electrical work. Keep the workshop floor clean and tools in good condition and keep proper places. Do not work on live circuits. If unavoidable, use rubber gloves, rubber mats, etc. Use wooden or PVC insulated handle screwdrivers when working on electrical circuits. Do not touch bare conductors when soldering. Place the hot soldering irons in their stand. Never lay switched on or heated soldering iron on a bench or table, as it may cause a fire to break out. Use only correct capacity fuses in the circuit. If the capacity is less, it will blow out when the load is connected. If the capacity is large, it gives no protection and allows excess current to flow and endangers men and machines, resulting in loss of money. Replace or remove fuses only after switching off the circuit switches. Use extension cords with lamp guards to protect lamps against breakage and to avoid combustible material coming in contact with hot bulbs. Use accessories like sockets, plugs, switches, and appliances only when they are in good condition, and be sure they have the mark of BIS ISA. Necessity of using ISA-marked accessories is explained under standardization. Never extend electrical circuits by using temporary wiring. Stand on a wooden stool or an insulated ladder while repairing live electrical circuits or appliances or replacing fused bulbs. In all the cases, it is always good to open the main switch and make the circuit dead. Stand on rubber mats while working or operating switch panels, control gears, etc. Position the ladder on firm ground. While using a ladder, ask the helper to hold the ladder against any possible slipping. Always use safety belts while working on poles or high-rise points. Never place your hands on any moving part of rotating machine, and never work around moving shafts or pulleys of motor or generator with loose shirt sleeves or dangling neckties. Only after identifying the procedure of operation, operate any machine or apparatus. Run cables or cords through wooden partitions or floor after inserting insulating porcelain tubes. Connections in the electrical apparatus should be tight. Loosely connected cables will heat up and end in fire hazards. Use always earth connection for all electrical appliances, along with 3-pin sockets and plugs. While working on dead circuits, remove the fuse grips. Keep them under safe custody, and also display metal line board on the switchboard. Do not meddle with interlocks of machines or switch gears. Do not connect earthing to the water pipelines. Do not use water on electrical equipment. Discharge static voltage in HV lines or equipment and capacitors before working on them.